the main thing with a transformer, and I get asked this question probably more than any other, is you just got to make sure it's a big enough transformer to handle the load of lights that you're putting on it. So any light that you buy is going to have a wattage on it. Typically an uplight or a wash light is going to be about 4 or 5 watts, and a path light is going to be around 2.5 watts. So the way to properly size your transformer is basically just add up the wattage of all your lights. So if you've got 10 uplights and they're all 5 watts each, that's 50 watts, right? You always want to size your transformer approximately 20% larger. So if you need 50 watts, you want to choose a transformer that's at least 60 watts plus. If you're getting into lights where you're 20 lights or more, for this project we have, I think just over 40 lights. So obviously we need a little more power. So we're using 2 transformers, more because we want to control it differently, but we could easily fit all those on here. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I'm really excited about our new try it before you buy it offer. So many of you guys have been asking what's the difference between a premium quality landscape light and all the crap that you're going to find online. Well, now you get a chance to feel it. You can go on our website for a limited time and you can order one FX Luminaire LED uplight that's found in most of our premium quality kits. We're going to send it to you for free shipping. You buy it at a discounted rate and keep it for 14 days. And if you don't love it, you send it back to us and you get a full refund. If you do, you keep it and you get it at that discounted rate. And a little trick, you can even go around your property and go see how it's going to look before you decide to buy an entire kit, simply by taking a 9-volt battery, taking the 2 wires from your fixture, attaching them to the terminals, and then you can actually go start lighting some stuff up and see how that's going to look and see how this lights feel. So if you have any questions, email me at cal@lightingdoctor.ca.